Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we have a nice little special guest here. We're gonna fly the Gripen. Hopefully it flies. I let my son get into this, so I had to do a lot of reinforcement and spars here and there and all types of goodies, man. So I'm crossing my fingers that it flies as well. I put some rudder and aileron mix, as you can see. Let's get it in the air. Hopefully she flies. So my son really did beat this plane up. Definitely really tail heavy, so we're gonna bring her down. That was very smooth, at least. So that was very tail heavy. I'm gonna bring, it's 5 centimeters from right here, so I'm gonna bring the battery a little bit farther up. Gotta bring her down. So I had to go up on the throttle right there a little bit because she didn't want to turn. I didn't want to take her into the street, so that was my main concern right there. Check our battery placement again, a little farther up. We still have some room. So she wanted to go to the right, so we're gonna give her some of this right here. Right. She seemed almost pretty good on CG. That was a little too much for that side. Okay, so we definitely lost control, and we bent the nose, which is totally fine because it's fixable. Let's try this one more time. All right, so our motor is not spinning now. So that's a big problem. All right, we have some connection issues. All right, should be good. Told you guys. So now we're gonna trim that up a little bit more. That's the elevator. Definitely needs a little bit more nose weight, but we got her up and flying even with the nose all broken like that. She flies pretty good. So I'm thinking about actually doing a build video on this now. So I actually got her down pat. So now the CG is 5 centimeters from this leading edge. So now let's check that out. There you go. That's pretty good. This is a pretty good plane. Hopefully you can see it. Now I like that rudder and aileron mix, cause this is making it smooth, making it turn real smooth. I'm trying to trim her to the left as much as I can right now. Now I like this CG rate right here because it lets me do the little high alpha. There you go. This thing is nice. Now I'm coming for a landing. Nice. It was good for a plane that we just crashed. Obviously, we just messed up the nose pretty bad. We had to figure out the CG, play with it a little bit, but that's really good. Let me know in the comments down below. Would you like a build video on this one as well? This is very easy, nothing hard. I mean, I think the hardest to do on a plane is get that CG right. But all right, everyone, thank you for staying this long in the video, and let me know in the comments down below. Would you like to see a build video? All right, everyone, stay creative. See you in the next one.